what's up everybody, DB right here. I'm at popular bus stop here in Lagos, Nigeria. Wherever you're coming from, across the Nigeria, this is the first bus stop that you will see as you are approaching Lagos. Here at Berger, I'm about to ask people their opinion about what is written boldly on my chest right here. You can see, should people collect money to vote, or they should vote for their right candidate willingly without taking any money? Whatever it is, let's go and hear from people.
So okay, of course it's not good to collect money, and I'm encouraging everybody not to collect money during this election.
Thank you.
Well, it's I'm not in I don't advise Nigerians to collect money to vote. I mean, you should be able to know the right person. There's no point collecting any money to vote.
My fellow Nigerians, I beg every one of you, at this particular time, we are trying to practice democracy, that we should consider it necessary to vote without collecting money. That will clear your conscience, that this person is the person you feel that he can better Nigeria. Vote for your conscience, don't vote for money, because the future will tell the result. If you vote for money, your children will continue to suffer it. Please, I advise you, vote because you feel that that person can perform, not because of the money. Because when they reach there, they would like to take that money they give out first before considering the people they are ruling. Please, I advise you, my fellow Nigerians, don't collect money. Vote for the right person.
I don't want you to collect money, because it's still the same evil people that keep on coming. Same people that ruled us during the military regime, they are coming back again. And that's worse. If you know you want a better Nigeria, please don't collect money for votes. Please, I'm begging you.
Don't mind them. Anybody collect money because want to vote, is selling his food shop. Selling his shit there, food shop. There's nothing politician can give to you, zero. You suffer for 4 years or more than that. So there's no need to collect money from them. You want to vote for any man, any people you go say vote for. If you win, if you don't win, you will go back to his father's house. No, it's not by force that you must be a president or you must be a senator. But if God give you grace, you will go there. That's my own advice. No need to collect money from anybody. Even if it's a woman, don't collect. Vote. God will help us and help Nigeria.
Amen. As you can see, I'm chasing this uncle. I want him to talk. He said something.
I'm stressed.
Yeah, talk now.
There's no need for we to collect money before we vote.
Okay.
A good Nigeria must not be.
He said?
A license to vote before we make money.
Okay.
I'll talk to you, please.
Okay, thank you.
We Nigerians, we need to vote wisely. Don't collect money with anybody. Let nobody to use money to bribe you. We got a country today, it's not a way before. We want to take the country from the people for their hands. So we have to vote wisely. Let the youth come out and vote. Let the youth come out and vote. Let us vote wisely. Because this is our Nigeria. We don't suffer right from our forefathers till now. So we need to correct our mistake now. Thank you.
Oh, they should not collect money. So don't collect money to vote. If you collect money to vote, you don't sell your right. Be that too. Don't collect money, my brother. Don't collect money to vote. If you collect money to vote, you go suffer am. Understand? Nigeria no good. Nigeria no good. Anybody free enter now. If you collect money, na sufferness. Understand? Do right thing. Don't collect money. If you want vote, vote. If you don't want vote, don't vote. But I believe that our daddy Jagaba will do better, sha. Why the campaign? I no campaign. Okay, I can see. Not be the question where I ask you. I can see. Sorry, sir. Understand? If you want vote, vote. Anybody that you like, just vote. Just vote for your own. Don't collect money from anybody. God bless you, sir. Advise Nigerians, do you want them to collect money to vote, or they should not collect money?
Why should they collect money? They don't need to collect money. Why? That means they are selling their votes. Votes should not be sold. All we need is good governance. They should do the right thing. Good leaders. That's all.
Thank you. Sir, please help us advise youth. We want to know whether we should collect money to vote or not. What will you say? Say something, sir.
They should vote for their conscience.
Okay.
The vote should be on their conscience.
Okay. Yeah, sorry. Please, will you advise Nigeria to vote? Bros, will you please? I can see you are the best couple in the world.
Yes.
Now, will you advise Nigeria to collect money to vote or not?
No. I will not allow that.
They should not collect money to vote.
No.
Okay, thank you. You wanted to say something?
Even if you give me 1 million right now, I won't receive it and vote for any wrong candidate.
God bless you. God bless you. You are a very good Nigeria. You are a patriotic Nigeria. God bless you.
So we are voting for the right candidate, not godfatherism or anything.
God bless you. God bless you. Thank you. Before you vote or you want to vote your candidate.
I want to vote my candidate.
No, talk to me, face me.
I said I want to vote my candidate now.
You will not collect money?
I will not collect money.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Should people collect money to vote or they should not collect money? Youth, especially us.
They should not collect money.
So say it now.
They should not collect money.
Thank you. Yeah. My brother, should people collect money to vote or they should not collect money?
But they collect money now.
Okay. This one said they make them collect money. Okay. Bros, should people collect money to vote or they should not collect money? They shouldn't collect money. Okay, thank you. Madam, should people collect money to vote or they should not collect money to vote?
Free. They should not collect money to vote.
Thank you. Should people collect money to vote or they should not collect money?
No, that one, no.
Okay. Mommy, Akusha, check out when you go over. Bros, I never interview you. Should people collect money to vote for their right candidate or they should not collect money?
They shouldn't collect money.
They
shouldn't collect money.
Thank you very much. Daddy, good evening, sir. Should people collect money to vote or they should not collect money? Just advice.
Why they will collect money?
So they should not collect?
Yes.
Thank you. Should people collect money to vote or they should not collect money? No, just say one thing. Yes, let them collect money or they should
collect money now.
They should collect money. Okay, that's your advice. Okay. Madam, good evening. Should people collect money to vote or they should not collect money?
They should. Why should you collect money to vote? Why should you collect money to vote? You are selling your civic rights. So why would you do such a thing? It's not reasonable. At the end of the day, you start suffering. You can't talk.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Mommy, should people collect money to vote or they should not collect money? Mommy, should people collect money to vote? Emma Binu. Bro, should people collect money to vote or they should not collect money?
For which candidate?
Just collect money to vote anybody. It's not about one particular person.
Do you collect money to vote?
You with the kind condition where if you collect money, they give you.
Yes. Abeg, talk this the way you talk again. Talk
Wetin dey happen for the country now wey you said dey feel like if they give you the money if you even collect you never tire for one derika of rice for 4 years to 8 years you never tired.
So people should collect or they should not collect?
If they collect that mean self-handling never enter their brain now. You understand? Okay. This country where we dey now we don get sense pass before no be like before again. You understand? I have to advise my people now. See this one no be either APC or Peter Obi or anyone. Na children against their parents now.
Thank you.
You understand? Na be it. Na the youth dey wan rule now.
Thank you. Where said? I dey come meet you. I just need to. I'm enjoying. Okay, this. Oh yeah. Now you can stand there and talk to me. Should people collect money or they should not collect money to vote?
For what?
See, wetin dey here. See wetin dey here.
Money for vote. People.
Hold it.
People have no right to collect money for the votes because Nigeria now, the youth now suffering now. Everybody is suffering. It's unfair now. We say now you come now you collect money. You collect 8,000, collect 2,000 naira. You stay your right for more than 8 years now. It's unfair. Nobody should collect money for the vote. Now come outside and vote for best way you like. I plead for all the whole Nigerians, all the whole youths, come outside and vote for the right person. Because if you come outside now and say you vote for Tinubu, you vote for Obi, you vote for Atiku now, for 3 years now, you say your vote, Baba, we will keep on suffering now. How much is a cup of rice? How much is a cup of rice now? A cup of rice is 100. How much is Gary now? A bag of Gary now? Before the time of Jonathan, we dey buy rice 7,000. Now Buhari now, we are buying rice now 40,000, 37,000. Why? We are suffering, Nigerians. We are suffering, Nigerians. Vote for the right ones. Nigerians, this is the time for all youth to come outside and vote for the better ones. Youth are suffering. Everybody is suffering. Me personally, I'm annoyed. My business is not moving. Okay, what they say now? Everywhere is dry. Why? I dey beg for the country. I dey beg for the Nigerians, for the youth. I dey beg for the youth. I dey beg for the youth of Nigerians. Nigerians, this is the time for all the whole youth to vote for the right ones. For about your fucking money. You collect your bribe. You collect money and say your rights. You stay your rights for how many years? I plead for youth now. The masses are suffering. Please and please again. Please and please again. Please and please again. My brother, my sisters, I beg, vote for the right ones. Vote for the right ones. God bless you.
Mo bọ́rọ̀ báyìí ni o. Nǹkan tí mo kọ́kọ́ béèrè ni pé ṣé káwọn èèyàn gbowó fún ìgbò tá a fẹ́ dì àbí kọ́ máa gbowó. Owó bíbá wọn fẹ́ gbà àríkà àdìgbò fẹ́ tó rẹ̀ tó máa tún Nàìjíríà ṣe làwọn wá àwọn owó kankan àríkà kọ́ dìgbò fẹ́ tó wà òkè tó máa ṣe dá fún Nàìjíríà. Àmọ́ ìtajà lójú títì mi ìrànwọ́ kọjọ àwọn ọmọ onílé ìwé mi ìrànwọ́ sọ àwọn ìjọba ọkọ̀wọ́ jẹ èwo kí ojú mi kan rò tíjọba kò wá ṣọ́ra lọ́tẹ̀ yìí. Wọ́n kówó jẹ gbèsè wọ́n kówó jẹ ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ gbà wá ẹjọ́ kí Nàìjíríà kó ṣàánú wa ìjọba kó ṣàánú wa náà ẹ̀wọ̀n ojú mi rò ó tó bá ṣọ́ra gan ṣe wà báyìí tí wọ́n ṣe pé obìnrin mi èmi kan ti gbé ọ̀bọ̀ lásán gbogbo ìjọba bọ̀ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́kan máa fún ọjọ́ lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan ni èmi kan pọ̀ báyìí o. Madam mo gbọ́ yín. Ẹ ṣé gan ni bọ̀ sùúrù la máa ní. Bí báwo. Torí ẹ̀ ni a ṣe gbọ́dọ̀ vote ẹni tó yẹ ká vote. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni dandan ó yẹ ká dìbò fún ẹni tó yẹ ká dìbò fún ẹ̀rẹ́ ọmọ kan wá gbowó ẹjọ́ bá mọ̀ pé kó lọ dìbò fún ẹjọ́ kó lọ dìbò fún ẹni tó òun kó lè tún lè wá yìí ṣe Nàìjíríà yìí Ọlọ́run bá tún ṣe o. Àmín ẹ ṣé thank you madam. I like your energy yẹn ó débẹ̀ gan ó débẹ̀. Oga, can you talk? Just to tell Nigerians if they should talk one word. You don't need to talk too much. If Any suru. Wait, hold on. You say, you don't jump into conclusion. Me that I'm here at this night, there's something that make me here. I can be in my house sleeping. So it depends all of us. You say, what I want to do with the word where I suppose post. Madam, ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ yìí sọ that, but you no supposed to agree. No be so e be.
Please, all the words we are saying, I go speak English, I go speak Yoruba, and I go. Where?
Just put her for your mouth like that. Down. Put the down one. Turn her like this. Oh yeah. 1 minute.
Oga, God go bless you. God go bless Nigeria. Our sufferness for Nigeria is too much. One boy sing say Abori Tayi, you think say na lie. Only is hot for all Nigeria now. He say hot yo. All the both small pikin, both big, both Igbo, both Hausa, both Yoruba, nobody happiness. Everybody is hot. Please, we go vote for who we get right to vote. But at the end of the day, make them do our well, yo. We dey hungry.
Make dem no rig election.
Make dem no rig am.
Okay, shey make people collect money or make dem.
We no need their money. 1,000 suffer 1 day 4 years. We no need am. 1 cup of rice for 1 day 4 years of sufferness. We no need am. We no need their money. Upon say sufferness dey Nigeria we still dey survive for our own power. No be their own o because they dey carry our money go London. Abi please make dem have mercy. My baby na dey house 3 days no sukuru. Make this time 2023 make Sineki no carry money o. Make Birisi no carry am. Make dem give us make dem see. Akute na here I dey live 4 hours I never reach my house. Confirm hold up. Na 1,000 we never reach our make dem have mercy. Na we dey carry dem reach there no be their power. If we no come out dem no fit enter upon their ring. Make dem no ring anything o. Make dem have mercy of we wey we dey beg God. Dem don belle food. The one wey dem eat remain make dem vomit am for us. Thank you o. Nigeria go good o. E no go spoil o. In Jesus' name.
Thank you, Madam. Nice one. Sir, my question to you is that should people collect money or they should not collect money? Say it. Oh, yeah. Okay, you don't want to talk. You see, you have to say something. If you want, is it that you are in this side or this side? You can't be in both sides. So that's my own question for you. I advise Nigeria. Ṣé kán gbowó tó kán lè dìgbò àti kán má gbowó.
Kán má gbowó.
Ẹ jẹ́ bá a sọ̀rọ̀ sókè kán gbọ́.
Kán má gbowó.
Kò dá kán gbowó.
Kò dá kẹ́nìbọ̀dì gbowó kó tó dìbò.
God bless you, sir. God bless you. Thank you. Nigeria collect money to vote or they should not collect money? Madam, please, can you advise Nigeria? Would you advise Nigeria to collect money to vote or not?
No, I won't.
Just say yes to collect.
I won't advise.
Madam, do you want people to collect money to vote or they should not collect money? What do you say?
Let's collect money.
That you do what?
Let's collect money.
But it's not good to collect money for votes. You don't know? Your mommy will tell you it's not good. So, mommy, do you think people should collect money to vote or not?
Ṣé ẹlẹ́jẹ̀ tó kọ fún yàn kó bí tá a bá Nàìjíríà délé ni èmi máa gbowó o ìyá méjì ò kí ń jẹ òkú gbẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o ìyá méjì ò kí ń jẹ òkú gbẹ èmi o to my own vote mo máa gbowó lọ́wọ́ wọn o gbà kò ní kó ṣe kan tó fẹ́ o bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún yín ẹni tí wọ́n fẹ́ kémi dìbò fóun o kó sanwó fún mi èmi máa gbowó o ẹlòmíì délé o kó fẹ́ ṣètò Ọlọ́run àwọn kan jẹ́ pé ó wọ̀ kó ṣètò Ọlọ́run bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe wà yìí o kò sí Ọlọ́run lèmi fẹ́ gbowó ṣùgbọ́n náà rọ̀ bí kà.
Thank you. Ẹgbà ẹjọ ṣé ká gbowó fún fọ́tì àbí ká má gbowó.
ẹ má gbowó tó bá ti gbowó ti dájú. ẹ má gbowó vótì tó ń bọ̀ yìí ẹ nídìí àti gbowó tẹ bá gbowó ẹ ní lẹ́nu ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ bá dẹ̀ ń sọ̀rọ̀ owó tẹ gbà á máa já yín o ẹ má gbowó ẹ dìbò fún ẹni tó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ dìbò fún ẹni tó tọ́ kò sí nǹkan tó burú tó ní kálukú wa bá lọ sọ́dọ̀ àfà wa àbí pásítọ̀ wa láti lọ béèrè ta ló máa mú ìlú yìí dáa ká dẹ̀ dìbò fún ẹni yẹn àmọ́ tó bá ti gbowó ṣe owó ẹ̀ ló ṣe o.
Thank you.
Kò dáa tí máa gbowó yìí tí mo jẹ àwọn ọmọ jẹ àti ní fún mi kankan ọlọ́run sí gbogbo yín ẹ jẹ́ ń gbowó mo ká gbowó owó ẹ bá fún mi. Kí ló dé mọ́ mi?
Ṣé ẹ̀yin máa gbowó ti yín?
Gbowó torí àkókò wọlé náà àrí kankan ọdún mẹ́jọ kò sí kankan ọdún mẹ́rin kò sí kankan sóòtú wa ní kókó ẹ bá dákẹ́ náà.
Ẹni sùn ẹ jẹ́ kí kinní dúró ẹ jẹ́ kó dúró ẹni sùn.
Èmi kì í lọ ní ìyá dúró ẹ mọ kí ní jẹjẹ.
Ẹ jẹ́ àwọn aráalé tó bá ń wò yín kán gbọ́ yín dáadáa.
Ọgbà wọn lè yín wọlé ẹ̀ lọ sùn.
Ó yẹ máa sọ.
Ẹ gbowó ẹbí Nàìjíríà ò dá Nàìjíríà ti wọ̀ gbọ́ Nàìjíríà ti wọ́ sí sẹ́ẹ̀rì ẹ wo bẹ́ẹ̀ fún mi ní 100,000 nísìnyí gbà bẹ́ẹ̀ fún mi 200,000 yín gbà because ẹ bá wọlé tẹ́tẹ́lẹ̀ yìí jẹ́ kankan lára yìí ráfàní kankan jẹ́ lẹ́yìn rẹ̀ Nàìjíríà so Nàìjíríà ó ti bàjẹ́ tí wọ́n gbé Nàìjíríà jẹ́.
Make dem carry Nigeria head come back home because Nigeria dey don scatter finish. This Nigeria na for dem make dem get sense well because this Nigeria I no know wetin I wan tell dem at all.
Now, cool down. Anything wey dey your mind, talk am. Anything wey dey your mind, talk am. No rush, do steady.
Anything wey dey your mind, na talk am. About Nigeria.
Wetin you talk now? No rush, talk am, make people hear.
The road don scatter.
Wait, stay one place. See.
Only the road don scatter.
Yeah.
I wan play the change the president because why the president everything make something there finish. Wetin ship for the kind of everything dey there well. Want me everything go down.
No comot, wait. Go farabalẹ̀ o. Do you want people to collect money before they vote, or you don't want people to collect money before they vote?
No money for the vote.
They should not collect money?
No.
Okay, and you want Nigeria to be okay?
Yes.
You pray Nigeria to be a great country?
Yes.
So that you can have a good life?
Yes.
In Nigeria?
Yes.
Exactly. Well done. You dey rush too much. Now, you are too young to vote. Your daddy, your mommy, your brother and sister, they will be voting. Would you advise them to collect money from the politicians before they vote their right candidates?
No.
So advise your family who are due to vote.
Yes. No.
Oh yeah, say what you want to say.
No.
Is that what you want to say?
No.
But you called me that you want to talk.
I want money.
You want money?
Yeah.
When you grow older and you start working, you have money. By the grace of God.
Amen.
Is that all right? So it is when you grow and you are working, that is when you have money. Have a nice day.
Well, gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìbéèrè tẹ́ béèrè, ìkíní orúkọ tèmi ní Ògúntọ́lọ́olúwàgbémiga wòlíì ọmọ wòlíì worldwide. Now, lérí ìbò tí à ń lọ nípa ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ yìí, ojú everybody ti là. Àwa fúnra wa ọmọ ẹni tó lè ṣe. Owó gbígbà lọ́wọ́ anybody kò lè pay wa nílùú yìí. Ìwà oníkálukú àti iṣẹ́ tó oníkálukú ṣe, òun la fi máa tẹ̀lé. Sóyè nílùú yìí ó yẹ kí àjà gbogbo àwọn ọ̀dọ́ àwọn aga fúnra wa kò dìgbà tí wọ́n máa sọ fún wa amẹni tó lè ṣe amẹni tó kàn amẹni tó lè ṣe tá à ń fẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo wa sọjí kò ní ìdí ẹnìkan fowó bribe wa ká tó di polling booth ẹ jẹ́ ká dìbò fẹ́ni tó lè kó wa dé ilẹ̀ ìlérí ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀ka fún ẹni tá a mọ̀ wípé tí apọkàntán tá a mọ̀ yìí kó lè dúró gẹ́gẹ́ bí èèyàn gidi tó lè tún ìlú yìí ṣe ìkíni oríṣiríṣi gbogbo alámọ̀ tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nílùú yìí gbogbo apátánà dẹ̀ lajú a kì í sapọ́jú amẹni tó pọ̀ amẹni tó lè ṣe ẹ jẹ́ ká sọjí ara wa pé nípa ọ̀rọ̀ ká máa gbowó ká máa fowó bribe wa ǹjẹ́ ní tó bá fún wa ní 10,000 ṣé mo ṣe máa fún wa lójoojúmọ́ lọ nìyẹn ẹni tó bá fún ẹni tá a gbọ́ 5,000 lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ṣé mo ṣe máa fún wa lówó lọ nìyẹn ẹ má jẹ́ kí fowó dì sí fún wa ẹ jẹ́ ká dìbò fún ẹni tó lè túlù ìṣe ẹni tó lè lísè sí wa òun ṣe ẹni tá a máa dìbò fún tán tó máa padà yá dànù ládùúgbò kò ṣe ẹni tó máa fira ẹ̀hàn fún wa dáadáa ládùúgbò tó yá tá a máa dìbò fún táà ní padà rí mọ́ so ojú ti là gbogbo apẹ́tẹ́ làwọn tó lọ nílùú kẹ́ni kankan máa wulẹ̀ gbé wa mọ́ra gbogbo wa ní ká sọ jí ara wa àjàjà wa tá a wà ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ń bí ká sọ jí ara wa torí wípé ìyà yìí pọ̀ ebi pọ̀ o ebi ń pa àwọn èèyàn o tá a bá ń tọrọ wa lóko ebi ń pa àwọn èèyàn o gbogbo nǹkan tí ló ti bọ́ sí ìnira o ṣùgbọ́n à ń gbàdúrà lórúkọ Ọlọ́run kí Ọlọ́run kó yan èèyàn àyànfẹ́ tiẹ̀ kó yàn lé wa lórí òjò bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lọ o.